This comes in from Cozy Perch, and this is like the best like backseat dog carrier thing that I have seen. It fits perfectly in your car and has this awesome Velcroed little bed that has soft cushion in it. Your dog's gonna love just laying on it when it's a long trip. It has this little mesh divider here so they could see through, see what you're doing, but can jump up in the front seat, which is great. It has little pockets so you can put some of the toys in here, some of the other things for your dog, and just has that diamond pattern to it, which is really nice. It goes around your seat rests, your headrests, and has also goes on this part, it goes around your headrest up there. Super easy to put together. And then even like this part up here, you can clip it on and off if it makes it easier for you, or you can just pop it on there. It's a really cool design. I love that orange trim. It really makes it pop. And I think, oops, and my dog loves it. Check that out. This is his favorite spot to be in the car. There's also little zippers on the sides here to make it easy for your dog to jump in and out of the car. It's just easy access. So I'll be like, come on, Will.
Come on, Willie.
Nice. Willie recommends it, and I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.